For every day I miss you. For every hour I need you. For every minute I feel you. For every second I want you. Forever I love you. You go out for a date or you stay at home. Love is the same, it never changes.
Hello, good.
Hiya.
Good morning. Good morning, say good morning. Huh? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Huh? Hi, friends. A very good morning to you all. We are going to start our vlog for today, and today's vlog is very nice. What we have today? Today is going to be a date day for me and for Nadia. We are having a date. Yes, we haven't told Angel what we were going to do, but when she's going to watch this vlog, that time she's going to come to know. This is my lapid over here, and what second thing is like, we have already to go to my cousin's place, my mama, Apol mom. Their place, he has invited us. So we'll be going for Our Lady. Very nice. As I said before also, it's very nice to go for Our Lady and all. Going bhi jata nahi pehle. People from Sadistya, if you all know, Apol is a nickname called as Apol. But actually his name is Darwin. Very good person, very joyful. Whether it might be a wedding, rose or anything. Even in his own village in Sadistya, he is a happy person. He likes to play that gumot. Very nice. So today we'll be going for Our Lady to his place. And then this is going to be very nice. Some time with family, some private time for me and for Nadia. We are going to watch a movie as well. So it's going to be a nice date day. And this lapid, I'm going to keep them at home. What do you mean? Baba. Nice.
Hi, friends.
Hi friends. Oh, wait. Hi friends. Hi friends.
Friends.
Friends. चलो दामद चल दल बस मुगो दल को था
Little doll.
हाँ चल
Go inside and sleep.
어시 되니 어시 버시
Show some else.
Okay, you hold her like this here. Yeah, okay. दल करेगा हाँ
What's happening?
You're making buns.
You make a breakfast.
Special breakfast today.
Yes. You guess what we are doing? Buns. Goichi buns or talaile and butter bhaji.
Angel, what are you making?
Buns.
Show me.
I'm gonna do it with a heart.
Wow.
Wow. That's nice.
Here we go.
So these are the buns that we have already rolled now. Then we're going to fry this. The angel's heart, see how nice, cute she's made. She was helping me doing this. Now I'm going to fry. Made some little potato bhaji here. And now we fry this. So any one of you are looking to make this buns or batata bhaji for yourself, I'll share the recipe in the description link and you can enjoy that. And here, Nadia, she's making tea. Ask her bhaji. Nice tea. I'm getting tea korba style se. Tea poda gaili. 4, 5. How many tea bags you put?
3.
3 tea bags. Nice strong tea. See, even Kisha, she enjoyed. So kids really like this. I know that kids like it. Every Sunday or after mass we used to go and we used to in the hotel. I used to take it myself anyways. I used to like it. Kids, they really like it. Kisha likes it. Angels has it. So guys, if you really want to make it for your kids and all, please try that recipe. We're going to share that in the description anyways for you all. So it's very nice. I mean, going so good as Sarko. Yeah, Baba. Yummy? Yummy. So friends, here we are. Today is a special day, you know. I'm going for a date with Nadia. Date itself like a movie date we are going for. After ages we are going. It's just me and we told Angel that we are going out. We not tell her that we are going for this movie. But yes, we are going. It's been a long time that we have spent it time like this. Quality time. Actually, we don't get only like every time that kids and everything. But today, like, you know, there's
We
a
miss
nice.
them though when we go. But
Yeah, honestly, like, you know, it's. We say that we want to go, but then we really miss them. Like, I miss Kisha, Angel, all of them. I cannot go. I need all packages with me. But today, at least we said, like, okay, maybe let's go. It's like a 2 hours movie, something. Yeah, so we're going for a movie. Very nice. I hope I don't sleep because last time I went with Angel, I went to sleep anyways. And this time, at least, this movie is very exciting. I like you know, disaster, suspense, thriller movies, not horror. You know how Nadia watches horror movies, she put doyachi adat so that she said. But anyways, we are going for that now. So.
you want to show my jacket?
Ah yes, yeah, you guys, I'll show you a jacket. Remember on my that
GXO vlog.
family day what we had? That day she had bought that jacket for us. So she's wearing it and she's wearing her favorite shoes also today. I'll show you guys. Yeah, watch this. So that's the jacket. You see, look at the print behind. Looks beautiful. I love that jacket. The day when she saw that, I said, okay, get it. But there's no any work she has done yet. There will be a work that she will definitely do on that.
And this is my shoe.
And these are the new shoes that she's wearing for herself. And there she is, my queen.
Hey guys, we reached now to View and here Kashi is.
Hey, excited. First date after ages. After how many years we are going back? Yeah? Single date like this? You don't know, even I forgot. I think so, it's been really long. Every couple needs this, you know, if there is a support, it's just because like, you know, mama is there at home, we can do this. And you need this, like, you know. Sango Allah this parents and samajai. Papa was chal bhai leke na.
Yeah, she did tell us many times, you all go and look after the kids. Yeah, today finally we are out.
Let's enjoy the movie now.
My popcorns.
And a Coke. Usually Coke we have stopped having it. But now that we come for a movie and it's our date, we're going to share this with love. One Coke, one popcorn. We don't have two.
Popcorns.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, yeah, I'll give you the tickets are very cheap, but the food is not.
Food is not cheap.
Last time when I came with Angel, the tickets were very cheap. But
Yeah,
you know
the
how much?
snacks are not cheap.
The snacks, how much did I pay?
30 pounds.
30 pounds a day. I spend it only for the food, for the snacks. So ask for the price before you buy. Anyways. So guys, here we are. We enjoyed the movie. The movie was very
The movie
nice.
was nice, yeah.
Priestess, yeah.
Christians, yeah.
Part one when I watched it, I think so. Which year I don't know, but way before it came, 10 years back, I guess so. But now this is the part two which is coming. It's a very nice movie. The best thing was like we had a good time sitting, had a cuddle, holding my hand, and I think that was nice.
Yeah, we missed Angel and Kisha and Mama also, but they wouldn't like the movie though.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I enjoyed. I did not go to sleep. So movie was so. If I did not say I did not go to sleep, that means
Last
the
time he
movie
did.
was good. So,
Last time he and Angel went to sleep.
they both, yeah, our movies are crap. I didn't like it, but this movie is,
movie was
yeah,
nice.
guys. If you get a chance to watch it, please go and watch with your family. Really nice, Paisa Vasool movie.
Now let's go home.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, baby.
Hi, Kisha.
You're good. Oh, Dada miss Kelo, baby. Ah, Dada. Mwah. Dada miss Kelo. Ay, come here, put. Yeah. I'm going to see the guys. So we are going for Our Lady now to my cousin's place here only. So we have been invited to go, and here everyone is ready. You see, how they look. The matching girls of my house, mama and daughters, sogally white. I color black. I like my black and white color.
We have
Hey,
same
just nice hairstyle. Huh?
The same shoes.
Same shoes. You and mama same. Huh?
And look
Very
at
nice.
Kisha.
Hi, Kisha.
We have both.
Hello.
Just both
Yeah,
of them
Mile?
are black.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Go.
They go.
Jesu.
Guys, you see this Saibini Chorne? That we try to have it. And Apple mom, he bought me this special Dora. Nice. So sweet. I'm going to show you inside what people are cooking inside. And Angel is going to take you for a tour. So friends, you see I'm meeting one of my family, YouTube family over here. He's Daigo and his wife Monica. He just told me that Monica keeps on watching our vlogs. You know, it's so nice. I've come to Changlai. I've come to my mom's house, like my cousin's place, Saibin Munaizu. And there I met him, and the few of them who even said to me. But the way how he said to me, and I spoke to Monica also. Monica was so nice. Monica, thank you, Zuga, to Amget Soita. Made us feel very special. Thank you so much for that. But this is a surprise for you. Daigo, Zuga, thank you. आणि केन्ना चान्स मेळ्ळ्या आमकां आपोय येतलो तुमगे थिंगा आमी या पूण म्हाका जाय तुवें मोनिका एक बरी मेसेज दिलोली तुगे उगडास को तुगे काजरा दिसा तो कितें फुडें एक मोगान एक बरी मेसेज दिलोली मोनिका
ब्युटिफुल वाईफ मेळ्ळ्या म्हणून आणि तुमचे काय ते
व्हेरी नाईस
नाईस
So Daigo is very few in words, I say. I think suppose very few. But I know that Monica, what Daigo wants to say is like, you know, he's very fortunate to find you to go towards all the ups and downs in the life that you come through with him. And he really appreciates that. All you want to say for you is, Kinudva Vada. I love you. Anyway, God bless you all.
Yes. This is my family, a second family that I've come far away and I've seen here. So, this is Apple mom, my mom's cousin. मुगे Apple mom म्हणटा तो हो lecture ला सदून पयली vlogan dance करपा बरो from सातीस त्यो ते compose song विचार तो गेले ते आम्ही बेडेकार मुदास करून श्रेयकार त्याचो कंपोजर म्हणल्यार धाकटे तेका आणि Sabri's mommy, best chef. एकदम बहुत अलग है. Again, big number one. It's really nice she makes, and I'm definitely going to make a video with her. And I've told her, I've requested her. If you try her recipe, definitely spot on. Shane, his eldest son, and the youngest one, Scarlett. These are my cousins. Shane is going to be a man very soon. He's a man anyway. He's getting married. Yeah, meant to be a responsible man, more I will say. So guys, this is my family and I'm very thankful that I'm joined over here for Our Lady to my family's place over here. Thank you for having us. Mogasu, thank you.
This is Ashley Baba's most loving.
And the woman behind the camera is
For every day, I miss you. For every hour, I need you. For every minute, I feel you. For every second, I want you. Forever, I love you. Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel, K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well. This is the end session of this vlog. As you know,
we've come here, and this court was for love because we had a nice time,
Yeah.
isn't it? And we really felt very special at that day. Like, very nice. Like, we said, she was holding my hand, I was holding her. There's no kids, otherwise kids in the middle. Dada, you hold me. That Kisha will jump on the other side. You don't give a chance only. Like, okay. So there was like nothing to worry about. Like, okay, we are there for each other. We just wanted to feel that moment that we also
Yeah.
spent time. And thanks for Mama because because of her, these things are possible. Like,
Possible,
we
yes.
could keep kids with her and we could go.
Yeah.
The movie lasted for 2.5 hours. 3 hours was our date, but beautiful date, I would say. I would really loved it. Very nice. And this is what is important is like, guys, in relation, I would say, give a time for each other. Like, going
Yeah,
out
spend
and
time.
spend time.
It's not
Spend-
possible every day.
Yes, I'm saying it by because now we can do it because Mama is there. But there are a lot of couples who don't have this kind of help,
Yes.
and you really can't get these things. So I would
we
say,
were also one of those at times. But now
Yes.
because Mama is there, we can keep our kids near her and we can at least go somewhere out to spend some time.
yeah, it's now recently that we are enjoying this glory of like, I think so. This is the first time that we went out like that for a movie. Yeah, but we've been out like for shopping and all, like keeping kids, but did not go for a time to spend for ourselves.
Yes.
But before I know, like my message for the couples and whoever is watching this is like this, like what do we want to say? I know that many times y'all don't have a help for each other and we have gone to the same phase as well. But what is important at that point of time that you understand each other, because never blame for each other saying that, okay, you don't do this thing for me or you don't do that thing for me or you don't take me here or she doesn't do that thing for you. As a wife, they do a lot thing at home. As a man, he does a lot at work. So, or maybe wife, both partners are working also together. They have equally contribution towards their families, but they can't give that quality time for them own self. So respect that as well, because whatever everyone is doing for the sacrifice to achieve things in life.
Yes.
Couples always have to keep that in mind, like that you understand. You go out for a date or you stay at home. Love is the same. It never
Yes.
changes. For us, our love was the same. Even that time when we met for the first time, even today that we are together. We fight. There are fights. There are arguments. There are different things between her and me. I really love her as what she is for me. And the way she carries my family and me as well with this, I really appreciate him for that. Yeah, because she does a lot of sacrifices and a lot of things that she's given. It was, I can't compare her to anyone or I can't give her space to anybody because she's very unique to me in my life. And that's what I like. Every man should give a very unique space for her woman in her life. Same goes to the woman, like giving an equal
Yes.
space, because at the end, they are the one, or you are the ones who are going to make your life further. You're going to take your life further and you're going to make it successful for you. There are a lot of people between the marriages who come in the middle who yeah, avoid that.
Yes.
It's not necessary, guys. It's not necessary. The more you will try to listen to these things, the more you will get toxic with this.
Yeah.
So the best thing is don't listen only. Believe in your partner. Unless you don't see, you don't hear it from herself or him, do not go to any conclusion or anything. If you are in love with each other, you will get to know your own answer. You see that within your partner. Don't need
And
somebody
if
else to
anything
come
is
tell.
there, speak to your partner, because that is the relief when there is something going on in your mind, and the partner is only the one who you can speak, or your parents. Before I used to tell my parents, but now as he's there, I tell him, if anything is there, I felt bad for this, I felt bad for that. Yeah. And he understands. He makes me explain also many times if I feel it in some other way. So
Yeah, but what I'm saying is like outsiders. Leave the outsiders
yeah.
from your relation, because
No third person.
do not basically
Third person should be only in our marriage, who's between us is God, and then my kids.
there's nobody if Nadia's mama is there, she is into prayer, she
She
very
never
wise.
interferes in our.
She never interferes. We never tell her, we never bring it to her
Yeah.
and never she even comes and speak in
Yes.
between us.
Because if
Because-
we involve someone, it's a tension for them as
Yeah.
well. That okay, because we'll become one end of the
At the
day.
end of the day,
But then-
we can't.
yeah.
That is one thing, guys. I tell you, if you all see us fight also anytime, then yeah, so hold them on. I think not more than 8 hours.
Yes.
8 hours is a lot, I guess. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 hours. I will give you 5 hours more than that. Zaina, we can't go like that without talking because we need each other. We can't stay like and it just तुला हाताशी
Yes.
आणू किती म्हणून पण जाय ना पडेल लाईक म्हणलं जाय but for that moment we आमके तोंडा किती ती हाजा हाती काढता अभी like but we don't go on to that level
Yeah.
to speak
We
also.
never abuse each other.
Yeah, we
Never.
have that respect of fight also. In that
Yeah.
fight also,
I
we
don't
have
know. We have never abused anyone.
we don't
never
we-
do that.
That is one thing I don't like to abuse. Don't like using abusive words also.
Yeah.
That's disrespect completely. But yes, as I say, guys, it is very important for everyone to give a special treatment for each other. Treat your love equally. And if for any chance you don't get it, understand that also. And the best thing I would say, do not follow or watch any couples and say, wish my life would be like that.
Yes.
There are a lot of things that we need to do in our life.
Yes. We have to improve
Yeah.
ourselves also. We are not saying we are perfect. We are not perfect. Nobody is perfect.
Nobody's perfect.
But yes.
Perfection is not that perfect. Every day there's something to learn. But as I say, like, what is required?
We never give up on our relation. Never.
That is we
Yeah.
never know. Like I think Sana, like सात पाटी वशी माझा नावाची येतो लाईफ तूच जाय म्हणून what that song is that तू जाय म्हाका तूच म्हजे Daddy. Yeah, so
Crazy.
what more important things in life are like, okay, we're in a married life, you want to see yourself being successful, you want to see yourself being settled in life, you want to see yourself that. So these are a lot of things that we are working on, and we want these things to happen, and this will come. See, things if you are not there with me today, people will judge us like, okay, arey, till date this is not there. Like many people, they try their best. Nobody wants to have, don't want to achieve things. Nobody wants like, okay, they don't want to have things today. Everyone is working towards to achieve things in life. But what happens is when people like, arey, so many years, what you've done, what you've not done, what is this and that. It's not up to you and me. It's up to God. The day when God says this is meant for you, it will come to you. All I'm saying is just work hard. Work hard towards
Yes.
it.
We get everything
Yeah.
at right time.
It's like
Yeah.
we try our best, we work hard. God knows that we are doing our best, we are doing it, we are working towards it. We will get it on the right time when it's meant to give. Believe in yourself and take it in that way. So yes, this was the love date that we had. Very nice. आमगे माशी boring झाला की खबर ना सांगो मागो. But this I think all of us like when it comes to me and her, I feel like talking a lot. But yes, that was a secondly. It was very nice that we went to Our Lady.
Hallelujah.
Our Lady was very nice.
Yeah, very
got a good
nice.
blessing.
Traditionally done.
Traditionally, that my Apple mom, he is from Santisteo. As I said, like in the beginning, that I will go. He's from Santisteo. He's a very fun-loving person. People who know him, they will know him very well.
He has lots of antique things in his
Antiques, yeah,
house. He likes to
antiques.
collect, nice
Antique things, lot
He
of
used to
things,
show
yeah.
me, see this is that. It's very, nice.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. He's got my mommy Sabrina, mommy. She's also a very
Yeah,
good. She
her
makes
bibinka
a
is
bibinka
amazing.
beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. And they've got two beautiful kids of theirs, and one is Shane, and one is Scarlett.
Scarlett.
Both are my cousins. Yeah, and they're very, very nice. If you have seen them, like I don't know on the video did I shoot or not, but as I said before, even they call me Baba, which is really love. I love Shane and Scarlett very much because the love and the respect what they show us is really
Yes.
appreciating. And I wanted to show you Winston. I've
Yeah.
said one day I would
Amazing
show you. He's a very loving chap. Winston, if you're watching this, thank you. Because through Scarlett, because Scarlett calls me Baba, he also comes and calls me Baba. So sweet of him as well. Because I like people calling me Baba because it's one thing like it makes me feel like not because like small the Baba as a dude the Baba yeah, it's like out of
Baba.
respect like all चेड घरातलं म्हणटा बाबा म्हणटा
Yeah.
तेच म्हणून दिसता म्हाका घरातलो व्हडलो चेडो.
Everyone calls him that. Most
So-
of the people actually.
And I don't mind people calling me with name also. It doesn't matter. But it just
Yeah.
makes me feel okay.
You just calling me casually. My name is fair enough. That's my name.
Mm.
But when I hear somebody calling me that, Baba, no, it makes me feel like, okay, I am responsible for that person to take care of him.
Yeah.
I will put my heart forward for that person. It's not because for somebody calling my name and not do it.
Yeah.
But I know, like, okay, they called me because they love me, like, and I can't let them down for anything. But yes, before we finish it off, we were going to give you a shout out for today.
So the first shout out goes to Nazareth Pereira.
Yeah, Nazareth Pereira, he has said that, okay, he said that he had loved the food that we cooked for the feast. Nazareth Pereira, I hope if you are somewhere close, I would definitely invite you. But thank you for liking. That shows that you have really watch our vlogs and shows us so much of love. You notice everything that we do. Thank you so much, Nazareth. Stay safe and God bless your family.
The second shout out goes to Alekra Rodriguez.
She said, like, okay, she loves Kisha, very smart. She said about Kisha as well. And she was giving, she was giving kisses for Angel because Alekra and Elisa, it's her sister, they are almost the same like Kisha and Angel are.
Angel, yes.
And they had the same kind of a bonding what I think so she's trying to see in this. But thank you, Alekra, and stay safe and God bless.
The third shout out goes to Wendy M.
Wendy, she says it's worth of watching her vlogs and sends a lot of love for her family and kids. Wendy, thank you so much for appreciating this and saying that it's so worth of watching. It's like, okay, that it makes us feel that, okay, we are bringing something that it's worth of time for everyone to watch. Thank you for such a beautiful, stay safe and God bless, my dear.
The fourth shout out goes to Gority Coutinho.
She's also says like, okay, loves watching our vlogs and sends a lot of love and blessings to the family. Gority, thank you so much for your love and blessings that you have made. Thanks for writing for us. Stay safe and God bless you.
And the fifth shout out goes to Captain Silvera.
He says he loved one of the recipes of us, which is croquettes that we made. And he appreciated doing it. And he did even say for me, that how do you pronounce this in French? And it says croquet. Croquets. In French, you say that, Captain, thank you so much for
letting us
know. So I learned something from you. Yeah. And thank you for liking the recipe. If you can share me the information saying that, okay, it's called like that means you know what it is and how you make that. That means if you have commented on the croquettes that we have made it, you really have enjoyed watching. Thank you so much and God bless. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching our vlog and you have loved the way how we have presented this vlog to you. If you've really liked this, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And our final word to say, adios.